I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application on factoring. The question is, a sphere has radius of 5 centimeters. If radius is increased by x centimeters, find the increase in surface area and find the increase in volume. So we are looking for change in surface area and change in volume, correct? That is what we're looking for. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let us begin by writing the formulas, right? So first is surface area. Let us say surface area for a sphere is how much? It is 4 pi r square. And for volume, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So you could use this formula to find increase in surface area and increase in volume, right? Now let us calculate. For surface area, we know that the radius of smaller sphere is 5 and that of the bigger one is 5 plus x. So we can write that the radius r1 is 5 and r2 is 5 plus x, right? Now we know the radius, so increase in surface area will be, using the formula, we can use like delta surface area. That means increase in surface area, change in surface area will be surface area for the big one, right, minus surface area for the small one, correct? So surface area for big one is 4 pi r square. R for big one is 5 plus x. So we can write this as 4 pi and within brackets 5 plus x whole square minus surface area for the small one will be 4 pi times r square, radius is 5. So we say 5 square. Now at this stage, we can factor. So first is group factoring. You could factor 4 pi. So that is group factoring, right? So 4 pi you factored, and what you get is 5 plus x whole square minus 5 square. And now you can adopt difference of squares, right? So difference of squares will give you, this is a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. So we get 5 plus x plus 5 times 5 plus x minus 5, correct? So that is difference of squares, and if you solve it, you get 4 pi within bracket 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So 10 plus x, and 5 minus 5 is 0, so you get x here, right? So you get your formula, which is 4 pi x times 10 plus x, 10 plus x. You could also expand and write if you want, or this. Either way, the answer is correct. So you could write this as 4 pi x squared. Let me write that first. 4 pi x squared plus 10 times 4 is 40, 40 pi x, right? And the units will be centimeters square. Since we do, this is centimeters, right? This is centimeters, and when you square centimeters, you get centimeter square as your units. So that is how you could solve it. Now you can adopt the same method and find the change in volume, correct? So for change in volume, let me write change in volume will be volume of big minus small. So big one is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 5 plus x. 5 plus x whole cube minus the small one, 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is 5, 5 cube, right? Now in this case, you could do group factoring first, which is 4 by 3 pi. So you get 5 plus x whole cube minus 5 cube. And now difference of cubes. I hope you remember the formula. Difference for cubes formula is a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, where a is 5 plus x, b is 5. So let's apply the formula and then write down the expression. So we get 4 over 3 pi a minus b. That means 5 plus x minus 5. So that is a minus b times a square. A square means, let me write a bracket, big bracket here, 5 plus x whole square. 5 plus x whole square, a square, right? Plus ab. That means 5 times 5 plus x plus b square. Plus b square means 5 square, right? So that is how you can write it. Now you can simplify 4 by 3 pi. This is x, right? Times, let me use another bracket. So I should have closed it by 2 brackets. Perfect. Okay. So we get 5 plus x whole square, which is 5 square, which is 25, right? 25 plus 2ab, that means 10x, plus x squared. Let's open this. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5x plus 25, correct? So that is all you get. Now you can combine the like terms and write down your answer as 4 by 3 pi, and within brackets you get x times, and here what you get, x square is only one x square is here, so we'll write x square, okay. And then as far as the x coefficients are concerned, we have 10x plus 5x, which is 15x, so plus 15x. And the numbers are concerned, 25, 25 and 25 gives us 75, right? 75. So that gives you the final result, which you can write as equal to 4 by 3 pi. You can multiply by x here, get x cubed plus 15x square plus 75x, and the units will be centimeter cube. Since this is centimeters, the units will be centimeter cube. But that is how you can get change in volume when the radius is increased by x for a sphere with radius of 5 centimeters. I hope the steps are absolutely clear and they help you how we can apply these formulas and solve or simplify the expressions. Thank you and all the best.